Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute succulent plant. So let's get started. To draw this cute plant, let's first start by drawing the pot. So I'm going to start right here and basically just draw a straight line across. So say about right here and go across about this wide. And so as you can see, my line is not completely straight. It has a slight curve. And I'm doing that because I just want my pot to be a little softer. And right here, I'm just going to go down. But of course, if you want yours nice and straight, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead on the sides. Once again, this soft curve. And then we're just going to round it off like we're drawing a bowl. So I just want a very simple pot. And connect at the bottom, so straighten it out towards the bottom and connect everything there. Okay, so now that I have this in, I'm going to go ahead and come back to the center area and we're just going to draw our plant. So about right here, I'm just drawing a very simple succulent, and it's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. You can draw your favorite kind of succulent because there's just so many different kinds. So we're just going to come right here and draw a bunch of these leaves right here. And let's come back in here. Same thing here, and one more. There. Simple succulent, right? And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and just kind of fill in this area. So maybe they're just like little pebbles, or they could just even be small succulents. It's all up to you, but just kind of want to fill in this area so it's not so empty. There. And then if you like, I thought it'd be really cute, I'm just going to stick out some flowers. So maybe about right here, just going to come up with a stem, and then right about here, just draw some smaller succulents or the flower. And one more maybe coming out of here, just to change it up. There. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's bring our pot to life, right? Because this is a Draw So Cute succulent. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle for our eye. That's what makes it extra cute, right? Okay, got one big circle. I'm going to come across, say about right here, and draw another one. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw a soft curve. And in between, let's give it a sweet smile. So let's say about right here. Let's go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. And if you like, you can add some cheeks. And of course we need to, I almost forgot, I'm just going to add a little heart right here on my pot to make this my Draw So Cute succulent plant. I really hope you love this drawing and I helped you draw fun and easy, and of course that it brought a smile to your face. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.